Could Google's Veo 3 actually replace a video crew? Well, today we're gonna try making a 1-minute advertisement for Sony Alpha cameras. Now, this is gonna be a UGC or user-generated content, and we're gonna use Google's suite of AI tools entirely to create this. So without squirrel ado, let's get into it. All right, so first things first is we need to generate a hyper-realistic, cinematic, 60-second video ad script for Sony Alpha cameras. I need your help in generating the overall script, segments, prompts for each 8-second segment, include sound effects for each segment, no dialogue, and then suggest voiceover for me to do in post-production. This is the prompt I am pasting in to Gemini. Okay, it's giving me the prompt. You know what I'm gonna do here? Because this is essentially, I think, good enough. To me, this seems pretty cool. Let's see here. Oh, so it actually broke it down, overall script. But where's our voiceover? Here we go. Okay, so I can break these into kind of two segments. First sentence here, or this could break into the second segment. Okay, we'll work with this. We'll work with this. So, I really liked the descriptions on the first section here. So let's go with these. Let's copy paste. And let's see how it does. Now, before I spam all of them, I want to just kind of preview this. I like how it did include 2 and 1. Let's move on to the second segment here. And now we're just gonna spam them through because I do like them. Now remember, this video is not about perfection, it's about experimentation. Bam. And I believe it's going to cap out here at 5 ongoing prompts at once. There we go. So let's wait for these to finish up. We will prep the last 2. Not perfect, but I mean, it looks pretty phenomenal. Okay, and then we're gonna do this one, and then we will do this one as well. And that'll be 1 minute. Did miss the beat here, so we're gonna have to try to recreate that one because the person bends forward. You can't bend this way, or bends backward, right? Folds like a chair backwards. That's Let's hope it nails it on the second go. I gotta say, the camera looks pretty accurate though. Okay. I think we should do in flight and remove the slow motion. All right, we're gonna add this to the scene. Okay. Wow. Colors just look phenomenal. So we're waiting on these last two.
Yes. Oh my goodness. Yeah.
Ooh, I like this one way better. Okay, we're adding that to the scene. What happened to our... I know we prompted this again. Failed generation. Reuse prompt. Interesting. All right, so eagle and then elderly, macro shots, and now we need to wait for that one to come in. And then we'll add in these last three. Okay, that's not perfect, but... Okay. It's not perfect, but at least... I mean, she only looks like she has... Let's try generating this one more time because I'm just not happy with those. Yeah, it missed the beat on that third part. So let's see if us just slightly fine-tuning this prompt gets the output that we'd like. Let's go see. Okay. Maybe we're asking too much of it. We'll see here. Yeah, almost. You know what? That'll do. That'll do. As I mentioned, this isn't about perfection. Okay, so now let's switch to scene builder. What happened here? Okay. So eagle, let's add this to the scene. And then let's add this to the scene. And then we're gonna go and add this to the scene. And then this. And then this. And then this. Okay. It's not a perfect, but it works.
Yes. Oh my goodness. Yeah.
I think that's good enough. So we're going to download this clip here. There are moments that take your breath away. So fleeting, so magnificent. A story unfolding, just waiting to be seen. Every line, every pattern, and every subtle expression, holding words within, holding worlds within. What if you could truly see it? Life doesn't stand still. It moves. It dances. Even in the deepest darkness, wonders emerge, perfectly frozen in time. More than just an image, it's a feeling, a memory preserved, the profound joy of connection vividly captured. Sony Alpha. Capture the unseen. Experience every detail. Feel every moment. Okay. So now let's listen back. What if you could There are moments that take your breath away. So fleeting, so magnificent. A story unfolding, just waiting to be seen. Every line, every pattern, and every subtle expression, holding words within. Holding worlds within. Every subtle expression, holding words within. There are moments that take your breath away, so fleeting, so magnificent. A story unfolding, just waiting to be seen. Every line, every pattern, and every subtle expression, holding worlds within. What if you could truly see it? Life doesn't stand still. It moves. It dances, even in the dances. Even in the stand still. It moves. It dances. Even in the deepest darkness, wonders emerge, perfectly frozen in time. More than just an image, it's a feeling, a memory preserved, the profound joy of connection, vividly captured. Sony Alpha. Capture the unseen. Experience every detail. Feel every moment. All right, listen. This isn't, as I mentioned before, this isn't about perfection. But I'm pretty happy with our end result here. So let's go into full screen. Isn't there a way to go full screen here? Okay, let's watch it back here. There are moments that take your breath away. So fleeting, so magnificent. A story unfolding, just waiting to be seen. Every line, every pattern, and every subtle expression, holding worlds within. What if you could truly see it? Life doesn't stand still. It moves. It dances. Even in the deepest darkness, wonders emerge, perfectly frozen in time. More than just an image, it's a feeling, a memory preserved, the profound joy of connection, vividly captured. Sony Alpha. Capture the unseen. Experience every detail. Feel every moment. So, some critique here. My voiceover could improve. It could be more fluid, maybe adjusting the script just a wee bit. Adding captions, subtitles might not be a bad idea, and then fixing this outro, right? Maybe placing my own text over it would be an easy way to fix that. Or using Gemini's new image generation to remove that text. Definitely possible. Now, I'm not an AI expert. I'm building in public and sharing what actually works. If you'd like to see me make a particular video about a specific topic, drop a comment below. Let me know who you are, what you do, who your target audience is, and what your question is, and I will add a video to my queue, custom tailored just for you. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. My name is Marcelo. This is Clearmud, and clarity matters.